Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Amazon subscribe and save items, subscription control step by open the Amazon app on your phone or go to amazon.com on your computer. Sign in with the Amazon account that has your active subscribe and save subscriptions. On the app, tap the person icon to open your account. On desktop, hover over account and lists and click account. Scroll to the section called ordering and shopping preferences. Select Subscribe and Save to open your subscription dashboard. If you do not see it, type Subscribe and Save in the search bar within your account. On the Subscribe and Save page, locate and open Subscription Control or Manage Subscriptions. You will see a list of all items currently enrolled in Subscribe and Save. Find the item you want to change and click or tap Manage. Review the next delivery date shown for that item. To change the delivery frequency, select the frequency dropdown and choose a new interval. To change the quantity, select the quantity option and set the number you want per delivery. To change the variant, size, or flavor, look for Change Item or Edit Item Details if available. To update your delivery address, open Delivery Details and choose a different saved address. To update the payment method, open Payment and select the card you want to use. To update the delivery day, choose the option to change your delivery schedule or monthly delivery date. If you want all items to arrive together, enable the setting that groups deliveries on the same day. To skip the next order, select Skip this delivery for the item you want to pause temporarily. Confirm the skipped delivery by checking the updated next delivery date. To reschedule instead of skipping, select Reschedule and pick a new date if the option appears. To apply a coupon or check discounts, open the item's details and review available promotions. To change the product entirely, use Swap Item if Amazon offers it for your subscription. If you no longer want the subscription, choose Cancel Subscription for that item. Read the cancellation notice and confirm to complete the cancellation. Go back to the main Subscribe and Save list and verify all changes are saved. Check your email or Amazon notifications for a confirmation message about updates. Before leaving, open upcoming deliveries to double-check every item's date, quantity, and price. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.